So hi guys, so in this video we're gonna see the future simple sentence. If you're speaking in the future tense, like hey, I will make sure, yeah, you can easily speak the simply sentence in your friends and also in your environment. Why I'm saying means if you're speaking the simple present and the simple the past and the simple the future. So I'm also making those videos like the simple the present and the simple the past. If you need, go and watch my YouTube channel this video. So yeah, in this video we're gonna see the simple future the tense. Why I'm saying is if you the learning the simple English, like yeah, you will make sure easily learn. It's a 1 week at the enough. So yeah, we're gonna see some of the simple sentence. If you if you speaking that tomorrow, like for example, tomorrow I wake up early, and also you will be the continuing. Then if you wake up after that, what you do? I will brush my teeth, and then I will eat breakfast. I will go to shower. I will go to eat breakfast. So these are the simple future tense. So you make sure if you speaking in this kind of the future tense, yeah, you can easily the learn from scratch. Like the easily you can speak like if you go to the some supermarket, I will I will buy the snack. I will buy the pen. I will buy the ice cream. So if you go to the supermarket, yeah, you can use it the simply. Like why I'm saying is if you go to somewhere, some of the supermarket or if you go to outside in your friends, yeah, I will go to with my friends. I will speak with my family. I will walk in the park. So these are the simple the future tense. You can simply use those words if you need, if you helpful also. If you're speaking this kind of the future tense, like if you're speaking with the future, yeah, you can easily initially start I will, after that the what you did. So these are the simple. So do you make sure it is the initially struggling, like initially it is the slow, like in your mouth it will be adapted or will be the flexible, it is take time, but it is the okay. How to say, if you try to something new, it is a initially struggling, I know, because I am also beginner. I also realized those kind of the things. So yeah, you can use it simply. So don't wait for the perfect time. It is the never come back to any time. So start simple. So don't rush your words. Speak slowly. If you speak slowly, yeah, you can easily speak the fluent at the English after the 1 or 2 weeks. Yeah. If you made a mistake, it's okay. If you made a mistake, so please happy for that. If you made a mistake, yeah, after that, yeah, I made a mistake, so I gonna the correct them. Like if I like I'm not speaking in this word, I also making so many mistakes. But after that, I I realized, yeah, I made a mistake. So year after I'm not made a mistake. So I will make sure I'm not any made a mistake upcoming videos. So I'm thinking this kind of the thing, it is important. If you made a mistake, don't worry about it. After that, yeah, I made a mistake. You're thinking after that, you something they're learning. So these are the important things. So it is in this video we are the watch about like how to speak that tomorrow, like that future tense. So if I any made a mistake, please let me know in the comment section. I will the correct them upcoming week. So do you know? I'm thinking I will do some the conversation video. If you interested, please let me know in the comment section. So in this conversation, I will create some Google Meet. We are speaking like you and me. After that.